Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to disconnect Spotify from Alexa. And here's how it's done. To get started, open the Alexa app on your phone. Once you're on the main page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the menu. Next, tap on Skills and Games under the More section. In the search bar, tap in Spotify and select it when it appears. You'll be brought to the Spotify skill page. Tap on Settings. Here, you will see that your Spotify account is linked with Alexa. Now go back and tap on Disable Skill. This will unlink your Spotify account from Alexa. Tap on Disable again at the bottom to confirm. After this, any features related to the Spotify skill will no longer work. You have now successfully unlinked Spotify from Alexa. And that is everything you need to know about how to disconnect Spotify from Alexa. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.